Well, good morning everyone from Berlin. It is the second day here, and since we do not like spending around 25 euros each for breakfast, we always go out to a local food store and get breakfast ourselves. It's not only a cheaper way, but it's also so much fun to go and shop in different countries, don't you think? I got a sandwich, a yogurt and a water. Nadia got some tuna fillet, some, well, coconut milk for some reason for her cacao. Cacao. Let's start our second day in Berlin. We're just outside our hotel and we have this charming restaurant serving German delicacies and Gaffelkölsch beer. This is a brew house for some reason, and we are on our way to our boat tour that we booked for 1 hour. We're going on a historical boat tour. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. It's a 10-minute walk from here. We're actually quite early, but I want to go and see where we are supposed to meet them up, and then we can stroll around from there. Let's do it.
Let's.
We actually just passed the place where the boat leaves from, but we're so early that we decided to keep walking. And now we're approaching the beach bar that we actually saw a couple of years ago when we took the boat ride last time. And I just love this place. I told Nadia that I really want to sit down, maybe after the boat ride if they're open, and have a cold drink. Maybe a Sarti Spritz. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Only the future will tell. So we have approximately like 45 minutes till the boat ride starts. We're obviously gonna travel through this Spree lake. Like you can see all the other boats are doing. Here you can actually see the Hauptbahnhof, which is the central station in Berlin where all the train leaves from. Nice day today again, 29 degrees, very far from the Sweden that we left a couple of days ago. If you're wondering what's happening, that's my wife being so happy because the Shane Bichou Brigitte once again proved to be a lifesaver, and she found some new glasses. Now we're gonna head back down and start our trip on the Spree River. Yes! Well, look how nice. We're actually found a place indoors, but the windows are open, so we're still outside kind of. And it's very nice. And they're playing German, old German music. Something that I associate with something I don't want to start talking about right now. But it's still, it adds to the magic of this old, amazing ship that's gonna take us on a tour. This is gonna be so nice. Well, it can't be better than this. So we're just strolling here around the Spree River. We got the wind in our face. I got a cappuccino. It's just amazing, and this old music really adds like magic to the whole experience. We just said, didn't we, that this is like the best boat tours we ever had in our entire life. Couldn't be more satisfied right now. If you know me by now, you know that I like my boat rides. That's the best way of spending a day as a tourist in any city that has water close by. So cheers to that. Tour. I can highly recommend Flagship Berlin. It was such a nice tour. I think I paid around 15 euros per person for that, so it was one of the cheaper ones as well. Took an hour and we had, as you saw, coffee, tea. The service was impeccable, and well, they were playing the classic music, as you know, so highly recommend it. Now we're gonna continue walking a little bit off from here back to Friedrichstrasse, where our hotel is, because on the other side of the bridge by the water there's nice restaurants where we want to stroll around and have a look, and also we want to go back to the TV tower and watch Alexanderplatz as well. So a little bit of a walk, I guess. Let's do it. To be fair, I'm not sure if we've ever experienced heat like this in Berlin before.
No,
it is so hot. It's supposedly 29 degrees today, and the sun is really exactly, we heard that song from Tarantino, bang bang she shot me, and that's exactly what the sun is doing to us. I think I need to find some cold beverages sooner or later. We're back at the hotel and now we are going down with the sauna elevator down to the pool to cool off because the sun was literally killing us. Literally. We're back in the room after a nice visit to the pool and now we feel like new people and it is time to have a pre-dinner drink. Let me say that most of these seltzers, they are between like 250 euros to up to like 5. This one was, when I bought it, I would say around 350, I think, which is, I mean, money. Obviously, you get more or less 3 beers for the same price as a drink, but still, it is a cocktail. And let's try it and see what we think about it. Yeah, this is one is very nice. I don't feel the Malibu because I mean I do think it is Malibu because Malibu was the well, that was the brand, so to speak. But I don't feel coconut at all. But I do feel the watermelon is very much present. I went down to the reception. I got some ice. I'm gonna rate this. I think we'll rate between 1 and 5. I think that's a good number. And I'll rate this a 3.5. I'll give this a 3.5 out of 5. I think this was very nice. It's very summery, which obviously fits the sun and the heat at the moment. So it's very refreshing. It could have been a little bit more lemony or sour for my taste, but I guess it's okay still. Well, that was the conclusion of the Malibu Watermelon Fizz. Tonight, people, we are revisiting the favorite restaurant from last year, which has a mention in Guide Michelin. We're talking about Jäger Lustig. They're serving traditional German food, I think you can say, but a little bit with a twist. However, we loved it so much that we almost said it's the favorite restaurant we've been to. And after we had the dinner tonight, we are visiting a bar that's on the 50 best in the world list. We're talking about Velvet in Berlin. And that's also going to be amazing. So a lot of cool things coming up tonight. I'm going to finish up this drink and then we are going to go to Jäger and Lustig and have our dinner. We're here and we decided to go with different dishes this time. Well, we did that last time as well, but we said when we were coming here that we will share a plate of salmon that they have. But then, when we came here, we realized that they have a summer menu started out today. So you went with a duck fricassee with mashed potatoes, and I went with something called the homesickness plate, which is kassler and some sausages made of venison with some cabbage and stuff, and that's going to be just amazing, I think. I'm so excited to be back. Hey, look at my plate. Oh my freaking god. This looks so delicious. Nadia got some wine, the Pinot Noir that she had last year. I'm still with my beer, and she got the duck fricassee, and it looks amazing with mushrooms and everything. This is gonna be such a nice meal, I think. We're finally here in Velvet. We just sat down outside. So the deal with Velvet is that they do a different menu every week. They're off on Tuesdays and they go to the local garden and produce the next week's menu. He recommended us to try either the tomato or the blackberry, and since I'm a huge fan of blackberry, I'm most definitely going to go in that direction. They also have some olives, which I saw, which I will probably order. It's nice, very nice indeed. Well, I went with something called sherry, and you went with raspberry. Look at it.
Look at it.
Okay, well, we'll see, we'll see. Well, mine was amazing, but I almost think that Nadia's was even better. Mine was kind of boozy, in a good way, obviously, but so much full of flavors, like you said as well. But yours was just, yours was just, it was just so, I don't know, refreshing in a way. I'm so happy we came. Cool bar, cool evening,
yes,
cool
nice.
Everything. Almost back to our hotel after a very long day again, and Nadia is very tired at the moment, but it has been a very nice evening, a very nice day with the boat, very nice visit to the restaurant, the bar, and now we're finally back home with the Maritime Hotel. Nice. Well, back to the room, and this is it for this week. Tomorrow, we also have a lot of cool things in store. We're going to a art museum, which is actually free, that has like modern graffiti style art. And also, we're visiting a Vietnamese restaurant that has a mention in Guide Michelin. So see you next week. And in the end, always remember, it is not about the destination. It is what you make of it that counts. Till next time, stay safe. Yeah.